guys, we've arrived at the St. Lawrence River. This is the first day. We just got here and we're going to go out on the boat today for a little bit, and let's hope we catch some fish today. First, guys, look how clear this water is. That's like 5 feet deep and it's like crystal clear. And that's also where we're going to be fishing all the way up there, so I'll show you there too.
No way.
Let it sink, and I picked it up, and he was on. Man,
No way.
there he is, first fish.
And that's a good
Buckies.
size fish.
That's a tiny one compared up here.
Well, I'm saying, like, wow, look at those eyes.
Oh, the camera's on too.
There it is. There you go.
Look at those eyes, bright orange.
All right, boys. Oh no, I just heard that.
Top water, top water, top water.
You can hit it from there. Just throw it up, straight ahead.
9.5.
Oh my gosh.
Slow down, slow down. No, don't move it.
I did not mean to.
Don't move it. Oh man. Oh, there's one.
Feel good?
Sounds good.
Yeah, that's bigger than the other two. Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's still not as big as the ones we saw chasing.
I would be so happy right now if I were you.
3 small.
You gotta make sure. Here's the video.
Oh, I got one more. Nice. We're on him. Oh my gosh.
Is it a muskie?
No, it's a big smallmouth. It's a pig. Oh, I hope I have a hook in him. You have a picture?
Hey guys, it's GSD Fishing. We just finished our first day. We only fished for a couple hours, but we caught some smallmouth. We saw a pike and I missed some topwater bites. We'll be back at it tomorrow for the second day of fishing at the St. Lawrence River.